Welcome to this DelftStack tutorial video. In today's tutorial, we will learn how to delete a post on Substack. Step by step. First, log into your Substack account by going into Google Chrome. Once you have logged in, go to the left side and go to Post. Now you can see your published post, scheduled post, and drafts. Let's say, for example, I want to delete this post. Click on the three-dot icon and scroll down until you find the delete button. And make sure you click on the delete. As you can see, the post is deleted. Let's say I want to delete all the draft. Also go to drafts and follow the same process. And that's it. Your Substack post has been successfully deleted. For more quick Substack tips, check our next DelftStack tutorial video.